Hi everyone, I'm Tiffany Baruso. I'm the founder of Simplicity, where I help women entrepreneurs grow their businesses through online advertising. So today I'm going to show you one of the Google Analytics basics, and that is how to set up and install Google Analytics on your WordPress website. So first of all, you need to go to googleanalytics.com and create your account. So I'll show you step by step on how to do this. This is assuming that you actually have a Google account. It doesn't necessarily have to be a Google Analytics account. It can be a Gmail account, Google Mail, anything that is connected to Google. You will then be able to create a Google Analytics account automatically. So once you've logged in, here I'm logged in, you will then be able to go into Google Analytics and set up. So I'm going to go to my admin section. And here you see under account, create account. I'm going to click on there. So here you start filling out your details. So your account name would be, so for example, my company is called Mary's Shoes, for example. I'm just going to name it Mary's Shoes for today. Website name will be maryshoes.com. And again, here it's an HTTP site. If you have an SSL certificate, you would need to check the HTTPS option here. This means that you, especially if you're selling something online, you will need an SSL certificate for security reasons. If you don't, you just carry on as http.com. Fill out maryshoes.com or obviously your domain name. You would then choose your industry category. So I'm in fashion, for example. Let's see if I have fashion here. Shopping. Yeah, I'm selling shoes. Okay, fantastic. Reporting time zone, you would set that to wherever you are in the world. I'm in Spain at the moment. And then you have options here, data sharing settings. I generally leave these all checked because I give data to Google Analytics so they can improve. I can also get benchmarking data. So I can see what other companies are, what their benchmark is in my industry, which provides some useful information. So by default, everything is checked. You can uncheck it if you like, if you don't want to share your details. There you go. And now you need to get your tracking ID. You need to accept the terms and conditions. You would choose your country. I accept. Right, there you go. You've actually now set up your own Google Analytics code. Now, with this code, when I say Google Analytics code, that's this script over here. You are then given a unique tracking ID. Every single Google Analytics account will have its own ID. Well, property of the account will have its own unique ID. So this will be unique to your website and so on. So now we've actually created this code. We need to copy this and paste it into your WordPress website so that Google Analytics and your website can communicate. So let's do that. I'm going to copy this code. There we go. Copy. Now I'm going to go to my WordPress website. I have signed in to the back end, so to the dashboard of WordPress. Now, each WordPress website will have its own theme. And each theme might have an actual place to put Google Analytics, but they're all different. So a quick way around it, so you don't spend hours trying to find exactly where to paste this code, you can install a plugin called Insert Headers and Footers, and it makes it much, much easier. And this can go for any WordPress site. So you go to your plugins on the left-hand side, click on Add New. You can search here, Insert Headers and Footers. There we go. Here it is. We can install it. Once it's installed, you'll be able to find it under your settings. Here you go, setting. Oh, no, first we need to activate it, of course. Now, There we go. And then once it's actually activated, you would go to your settings, and now you'll find insert headers and footers here. Now we want to put this code in the header. And the reason why we want to put it in the header is so that the code is actually placed on every single page of your website, so we can track absolutely everything. If you don't, if you just put it in the body or any other location, the tracking is not working. It doesn't work properly. So we're going to paste it here in the header box. There we go. And save. Right. So that's now saved. So on your website, you will actually have this Google Analytics tracking code installed. Then it takes up to 24 hours for Google Analytics to start getting all the data, to start seeing who's visiting your site, how long they're spending on the site, and so on. And you'll start to see data come up in your Google Analytics account. So you'll start seeing spikes, you'll get numbers, figures, and so on. So there you go. Simple, wasn't it? I hope that it helped. It wasn't too confusing. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to leave a comment, and I will answer as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely day. Bye.